Morning students, welcome to your computer class. I am Sunny. So students, today we will be discussing about the answers of the exercises we have completed. So let's start our discussion. So first we'll start with tick the correct option. Which of the following tools can be used for making selection around the edges of an image? So we are talking about the edges of an image. So the answer would be magnetic lasso tool. Next question is, which of the following is not a type of a selection tool? See, magic wand tool is a selection tool, elliptical marquee and magnetic lasso are selection tool, but custom shape tool is not a selection tool. So so our answer would be B, custom shape tool. Next is, which of the following tools can be used to select a specified area that you want to focus on and remove the unwanted part of a picture? So removing the unwanted part, the answer would be crop tool. What is the default extension of Adobe Photoshop files? The default extension of Adobe Photoshop file is .psd, which is number D. Next is, which bar shows the different options of currently selected tools? So answer would be options bar. Options bar has got the various options about the tool. Next is, which one of the following tools lets you fill the selected areas of an image with a blend of multiple colors? So here we are talking about the gradient tool. Moving to the next one, fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks is, the marquee tool allows you to select different portion of an image in a specified range. So the number 2 is, the magic wand tool is used to automatically select the adjacent area of the same color in an image. The third one is, the move tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new selection. The number 4 is, the color picker tool lets you select the color for setting the foreground and the background colors. Number 5 is, the brush tool is used to create the smooth strokes of color. This last one is, the resolution is the number of pixels per inch that make up an image. Coming to the true and false, let's start with the first one. You cannot drag the selected part of an image to a new selection. The answer is false. We can drag a selected part of an image to a new location. Number 2 is, in Photoshop CS6, the default color mode is RGB. Yes, the default color mode is RGB. Our answer is true. Third one is, selection tools are used to select an image or part of it to perform cut, copy, edit or retouching operations. The answer is true. Next question is, quick selection tool is used to make a freehand selection in an image. The answer is false. The fifth one is, magic wand tool can make and merge selections if we press shift key. The answer is true. And the last one, color mode decides the number of colors that appears in the image, is also true. Now coming to the question and answer section, so I gave you an extra question where we spoke about name and explain the components of Adobe Photoshop. So students, we are talking about components here. So if you remember, in page number 85, we discussed about menu bar, option bar, workspace and tools panel. So what you have to do is, since this is a long question, we will be naming them and we will be writing one line about all these 4 components. So I hope all of you would go ahead and would have written the answer. So students, this was a long answer, so it has to be a descriptive question. So next is, explain 3 main options that appears while selecting the magic wand tool. So students, if you remember, we were talking about magic wand tool. We discussed about the tolerance, anti-alias and contagious in page number 91. So what you have to do is, you have to write the 3 names of these and define in each line. So this will form our answer for question number 5. I hope all of you would have answered it in the same way. Question number 6, what is the purpose of following in the Photoshop workspace? The portion of the question is not here. So they are talking about 3 things here. If you look at page number 102, they are talking about menu bar, options bar and tools panel. So again, we will come back to the same question which is menu bar, option bar and the tools panel, we will write one line about each one of them the same way how we answered the extra question. So this brings us to the end of our discussion. So our homework, what would be our homework? Our homework would be, students, we will be doing differentiate between the following 1 and 2, and we will be doing fun time. I hope all of you know how to do the differentiate between the following. How would you draw the line and divide the page into 2 equal halves, and then you can answer these questions there. Students, just in case if you have any doubts or any questions, then feel free to reach me through the comment section. Till then, stay home and stay safe.